Have you ever thought about starting your own dropshipping business? It's a fascinating realm where you can sell products directly to customers without holding any inventory. In this year, 2023, dropshipping is a dynamic and accessible way to step into e-commerce with minimal risks and substantial potential rewards. We're about to embark on a journey, exploring how to set up your very own dropshipping enterprise. So, if you're ready to dive into this exciting world of e-commerce, stick around. The first step is niche research. Niche research is like laying the first brick for your business. It's the process of identifying a specific, targeted subset of the market that you can cater to. The right niche is a blend of your passion and what the market demands. It's where you'll find your ideal customer and the products they're searching for. Why is this important? Well, imagine setting up a store selling winter coats in the middle of a desert. Not the best idea, right? That's where niche research comes in. It helps you find a market that needs what you're selling. So how do you conduct niche research? You can start with tools like Google Trends, which shows you what people are searching for. You can also check out Amazon bestsellers to see what's popular. Niche-specific forums, social media groups, and even your own hobbies or interests can be goldmines for niche ideas. Remember, you're looking for a niche that's not too broad or too narrow. Too broad, and you'll be competing with everyone. Too narrow, and you might not have enough customers. Now, don't rush this process. Take your time, dig deep, and don't be afraid to pivot if you find a better niche. The right niche can be the difference between a store that thrives and one that just survives. Remember, research is the foundation of your dropshipping business. Once you've found your niche, it's time to find reliable suppliers. These suppliers are not just vendors, they are your business partners, integral to your success. So how do you find them? Well, there are several platforms you can use like AliExpress, SaleWho, or Oberlo. These platforms connect you with suppliers from all around the world, making it easy to find a diverse range of products to sell. But finding suppliers is only the first step. You need to vet them, ensuring they have a solid track record. Look at their delivery times, product quality, and customer reviews. Remember, your customers will associate the product quality and delivery times with your business, not your supplier. So it's crucial to choose wisely. You should also consider communication. Can you easily contact your supplier if there's an issue? Do they respond promptly? Effective communication can prevent misunderstandings and resolve issues before they escalate. And finally, consider their pricing. It needs to be low enough for you to make a profit when you mark up the price for your customers, but not so low that it raises questions about product quality. Your chosen suppliers are your business partners, so choose wisely. A good supplier relationship can lead to exclusive deals, priority treatment, and above all, a steady supply of products that your customers love. Remember, in the world of dropshipping, your suppliers are as important as your customers. Now that you have your products and suppliers, it's time to create your online store. This is where the magic happens, where your customers will come to browse and eventually buy your products. There's a range of platforms available, each with their own unique features and benefits. Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce are all solid choices, offering user-friendly interfaces that make setting up your store a breeze, even if you're not particularly tech-savvy. Think of your store as your virtual storefront. You want it to reflect your brand and your products. Customize your store to match your brand's aesthetic. Choose a theme that resonates with your target audience and make sure it's visually appealing. Remember, first impressions matter. Navigation is another crucial aspect. Your customers should be able to easily find what they're looking for. Make sure your categories are clear and your search function is intuitive. Payment and shipping options are also key. Offer a variety of payment methods to cater to different customer preferences. As for shipping, ensure it's clear, fair, and transparent. And don't forget about mobile optimization. More and more people are shopping on their phones, so your store needs to look and work just as well on a smaller screen. Your online store is your business's home, so make it inviting. Remember, this is more than just a place to sell products. It's an opportunity to provide an enjoyable shopping experience that keeps customers coming back for more. With your store set up, it's time to list your products and set your prices. But how do you do that effectively? Well, it all starts with compelling product descriptions. You want to paint a vivid picture of the product's features, benefits, and specifications. Make it easy for your customers to imagine how the product would fit into their lives. Remember, you're not just selling a product, you're selling an experience. Now let's talk pricing. The key here is to strike a balance between being competitive and profitable. Pricing is a strategic tool that can differentiate you from your competition. It's not always about having the lowest price, it's about offering the best value. You might wonder, how do I determine the best value? Well, consider factors such as the quality of your product, the reliability of your supply chain, the customer service you provide, and the overall shopping experience at your store. All these elements contribute to the perceived value of your product, and hence, your pricing. Also consider your target market's purchasing power and what they're willing to pay for the value you're offering. Research your competition and understand their pricing strategies. This will give you a benchmark to work from. Finally, keep an eye on your profit margins. After all, the main goal is to make a profit while providing value to your customers. It's a delicate balance, but with careful planning and strategy, you can achieve it. Remember, value is more than just price. Now let's talk about marketing. Your online store is set up, your products are listed, and it's time to get the word out. Marketing is the engine that drives your business. It's what makes your products visible to the world. Here's where you dive into the world of social media marketing. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or Pinterest can be incredibly powerful tools to reach your audience. You can leverage paid advertising or organic strategies like engaging content and influencer collaborations. Then, there's email marketing. This is a great way to keep your customers informed about new products, special offers, and other updates. It's also a fantastic tool for building a relationship with your customers, and it's incredibly cost-effective too. And let's not forget about PPC advertising. It stands for pay-per-click, and it's a form of online advertising where you pay a fee each time your ad is clicked. It's essentially buying visits to your site, rather than attempting to earn those visits organically. Google Ads is one of the most popular platforms for this. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach here. Different strategies will work better for different businesses. It's all about experimentation. Test different strategies, see what works best for your target audience, and refine your approach accordingly. Marketing is all about reaching your target audience. It's about putting your products in front of the right people, at the right time, and in the right way. And when you do that effectively, you're well on your way to dropshipping success. Next up, customer service. This is the lifeline of your dropshipping business. It's not just about selling products, it's about delivering an exceptional experience. As a dropshipper, you may not have control over the shipping process, but you do have control over how you communicate with your customers. Be responsive. Whether it's through email, social media, or live chat, make sure to answer customer inquiries promptly. Time is of the essence in the world of e-commerce. Address issues head-on. Mistakes happen. Maybe a product arrived damaged, or perhaps it didn't arrive at all. Whatever the case, own the issue and work tirelessly to resolve it. This could mean coordinating with your supplier or providing a refund. Ensure a seamless customer journey. From browsing your store to receiving their order, every touchpoint should be smooth. This includes an easy-to-navigate website, clear communication, and transparent policies. Remember, happy customers are repeat customers. Finally, let's talk about analysis and adaptation. No dropshipping business can thrive without the ability to examine its own performance and modify its approach based on these insights. This is where tools like Google Analytics come into play. They help you understand your traffic sources, user behavior, conversion rates, and much more. These insights are invaluable because they let you know what's working and what's not. For instance, if a specific product is not selling well, maybe it's time to change your marketing strategy or even consider removing it from your inventory. On the other hand, if a marketing channel is driving significant traffic to your store, it would make sense to double down on it. But remember, the e-commerce landscape is ever changing. Stay informed about the latest trends, consumer behaviors, and market conditions. Adapt your strategies accordingly to keep your business relevant and competitive. Stay informed, stay adaptable, and stay profitable. And there you have it, the easiest way to start dropshipping in 2023. From niche research to finding reliable suppliers, creating your online store, setting up product listings, marketing, customer service, and finally analyzing and adapting. Each step is crucial in building a successful dropshipping business. So gear up, take a leap of faith, and kickstart your entrepreneurial journey. Remember, success comes to those who dare to start. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your dropshipping journey in 2023.